Okay, so let me just show you a few things I did. I'm very sick right now. I got a bad cold, so please excuse me. Um, so I fixed her face a little bit, her eyes. I went around again. I got to put her little nose in. Um, Gave her some bangs. I wanted her to have some bangs, and you can see that's about it. Went over, traced, like darker parts, and so that's all I'm gonna really do with her. I really like her. What I did do was I took and mixed, like I saved that face paint that I had, the color that I mixed. So I just pull a little bit. This is just an old delusion, so I had to throw away the paint because it was bad. Turned into cottage cheese. I have a bunch of them. So I figured, so I put it in here and I pulled from here and then added a little bit of white just to kind of lighten it up a little bit. And like I said, her nose, I'm really loving Asphaltum, the color, as a like a shade. So I'm just going to do her nose very simple like that. And let me show you. Oh my gosh. Okay. This is what she's looking like. Now I want to put a quote. I have stamps here. I just am not sure what quote. So I was going to put life is beautiful, but I don't know. Let me know down below what you guys think. I'd appreciate it. And I'm going to finish the edges. I'm going to use some black, and which I won't do on camera. I'm not going to bore you. But yeah, so she's finished. I'm really happy with her. She's kind of plain, but not really. And it has a lot of this is one sheet of scrapbook paper underneath. And you could see all this texture. It's like we did so much, few stamps, and she's done. Very simple. It's not hard at all. We just kind of played and did this, and I really dig her. So let me know down below. I'm really curious what you think. And as always, please be kind to each other. You never know what battle somebody else is fighting. And I love you guys so very much. And if you just found me and you enjoyed this video and would like to subscribe, please click the subscribe button down below and the little bell next to it to be notified when I upload. I'm going to be doing more of these. I will be doing live streams this new year. But I like doing these all together. And like I said, I probably will forward this and put music to it for others who do not want to watch this. And yeah, so I love her. She came out really pretty, very sweet looking. I was gonna put flowers in her hair, and I thought, you know what, maybe the next one. So guys, hope you have a great day, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.